In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set up the new Claude Dispatch, which allows you to take your phone and control and send tasks to your desktop from Claude instantly and easily. So make sure you've updated your Claude app. You also have to have a $20 subscription or more to Claude, so make sure you have that set up as well. And when you open the mobile app, in the sidebar, you're going to see something where you normally see chats, projects, artifacts, code. You'll see something new that says dispatch. Go ahead and tap into that option there. Then what you want to do is either tap the button that says email desktop app link or pair with your desktop. The easiest way is just tapping on pair with your desktop. Then it says make sure that you've downloaded the latest version of Claude, sign in as your account, and go to the dispatch tab on desktop to complete the setup. So here we are on our Claude desktop app. I've selected dispatch over here in the sidebar like so, and I want to go ahead and just click on get started. Once you've done this, just go ahead and say pair with Claude mobile app. Basically, all you'll have to do is open up your camera on your device. It will scan that code there, tap the option for the QR code, and then go ahead and open Claude like so, and then go ahead and tap done. As you can see, now the dispatch is online. It says, hey, glad you're here. Find a confirmation in downloads and check the order stat. It can do a number of things. Go ahead and say I'm signed on the desktop here. And then on the desktop app, you can choose a couple of options like keep this computer awake. It prevents sleep while dispatch is running. That's probably a good idea. Let Claude control your computer. It allows Claude to click, type, and open apps. You can enable that if you want. And then as far as accessibility and screen recording, you can request those too if you want. Make sure all of these are checked and turned on, and go ahead and go to Finish Setup. Then says Claude would like to access files in your Documents folder. Click Allow like so. Now, you can see that Claude is set up. You can turn on notifications to be notified when things are done. And then as you can see right here, keep it awake, computer usage, all of these things need to be kind of set up the way that I just did them. Now back over on our phone, we want to search downloads folder for audio files. Go ahead and send that task. As you can see, it will begin working on your desktop. As you can see the squiggly lines there at the very bottom, and what I just sent from the mobile app, you can now see here under dispatch. And then it says searching your downloads folder, and then it says allow Claude to work in downloads. You'll click allow or tap allow, and you can go ahead and pre-allow that, by the way, in settings if you don't want to worry about getting that information. Now back on our mobile app, you can see the squiggly lines means that it's working again. And then as you can see, the response says, here's what's in your downloads folder, podcast recordings, short clips, video files. Total is roughly, and then it gives you kind of the information. And then it says, what specific file are we looking for? And as you can see, we can just go back and forth with it from our mobile device and give it more detail as to what we're trying to find. And then it can specifically find that file, move it to a Google Drive. You can see the power with this, right? So it says, what would you like to do with the podcast recordings? A few things I could help with. I can now type in organize, and next time I'm in front of my computer, the folder with that specific file type will be organized in my downloads folder, all done directly with Claude. These are all things that you would normally need to outsource or do yourself, very tedious tasks, but Dispatch allows us to remotely connect to our desktop and do these tasks right here from our mobile device. If you have any further questions, put those down below in the comment section. I'll have a pinned comment with some frequently asked questions. If this helped, like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.